Real strength isn't complicated. Watch how simple, powerful nutrition is. Every piece of papaya I'm cutting here is working for me in ways most men never understand. What you are watching, yes, the peel. I remove it because the flesh is where concentrated nutrition lives. The seeds? Don't throw these away. I will show you what to do with them later. The orange flesh, this is papain enzyme, vitamin C, folate, and magnesium in natural form. The bowl, yes, small portions. Consistency beats quantity. Why I eat papaya this way? Timing matters. Evening, yes, my body uses these nutrients during sleep for repair and recovery. The simplicity matters. No recipes, no cooking, no complications. Just fruit bowl. Taking 3 minutes to prepare food intentionally is self-respect. You deserve more than rushed, unconscious eating. What happens in my body after this? Within 30 minutes, papain enzyme starts supporting digestion of dinner. And then within 2 hours, magnesium begins calming nervous system for better sleep. Overnight, vitamin C and folate work on cellular repair while I rest. And then by morning, I wake lighter, system cleaner, ready for the 8. This is the difference between men who talk about health and men who live it. No cameras usually, no performance, just quiet daily discipline that compounds into transformation. You are watching 3 minutes that will add years to my life and life to my years. The question is, when will you stop watching and start doing? Yes, when will you start doing? When will you add fruit to your diet? 1 fruit a day keeps me healthy. I am Kobi Ofili of Fruit of the Day with Kobi. Do well to add these fruits to your diet because they are a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, and life. You heard me well. Yes, you stand a chance to improve your immunity, your digestive health, your cognitive function, your skin, your bone health. They all impact positively to the well-being of your entire body. When you include fruits in your diet, you live healthily. 1 fruit a day again keeps me healthy. Save this. Try it tonight. Comment love if you're making papaya your evening ritual. And then tag someone who needs to see that health isn't complicated, just consistency. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.